Ready to dive into the wild world of AI-generated social media? OpenAI's latest venture, the Sora app, is causing quite a stir, and getting access isn't as simple as a quick download. This guide will walk you through how to snag an invite and join the conversation. Caitlin Chedraui, a writer for CNET, is at the forefront of covering artificial intelligence, including the latest in chatbots and image and video generators. She's got her finger on the pulse of how AI is changing our lives and the content we see online. Caitlin's insights come from her background in media and journalism from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. You can reach her at kchedraui@cnet.com. So what's the deal with Sora? It's a new social media platform built entirely on AI-generated videos. That's right. Every single video you see is created by artificial intelligence. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, is behind this project. The app is available on the App Store, but you can't just jump in. Here's the catch. You need an invite code to get past the velvet rope. These codes have started to appear, so here's your game plan. How to get your Sora invite code. Download the app. Find the Sora app in the Apple App Store. Make sure it's the one with the navy and white cloud icon. Log in. Use your existing ChatGPT account. Or tap Use Different Account. Request access. Tap Notify Me when access opens. Enable notifications. Allow Sora to send you push notifications. OpenAI has stated that the initial rollout is in the US and Canada, with plans to expand quickly. Paying Pro users are getting priority access. Once you get your invite code, you can set up your Sora account. You'll then have access through the mobile app or website and will receive 4 new invite codes to share with your friends. But here's where it gets controversial. The app is entirely based on AI-generated content. What do you think about this? Is this the future of social media or a step too far? Share your thoughts in the comments.